think that might be Cowles Mountain ahead of us. That's what I'm going to hike up and attempt to summit. Officially here at Cowles Mountain. I'm gonna start this hike. Can't believe I'm here. I can actually do it.
We will be going up to 1,593 feet to summit Cowles Mountain.
Hey, I think this is the right way. How's it going? All right. I see people up there already. I am ready for this. That's where I'm coming from. Wildlife habitat area closed. Okay. Trail isn't too busy today, which is good. It's supposedly the highest point in San Diego. Beautiful trail.
So initially this wasn't in my plan, but I just found out about this hike at the last minute, and I knew I had to squeeze it into my schedule before I headed back to Texas.
So we get higher and higher. Broken wood here. Turning. Look at this. Should have brought my better hiking shoes. Quarter mile. Okay.
The trail does start to get rockier at the quarter-mile point, so make sure you have the proper footwear.
So far, so good. So the map says 0.4 miles. Rugged terrain as expected. It's gonna be so worth it when I make it to the summit. People trail run up here. That's pretty impressive. Of course, I think going up will be harder than going back down. Weather feels good. Still, I think it's like high 60s. I don't feel like the humidity that I would if I were in Houston, but I just feel gross and sweaty.
As I go higher and higher, I take every opportunity to see the landscape below me.
Little overlook. That looks good over there. Yeah, this way. The red rocks remind me of Arizona. Oh. looking great. Hey, hello. Up the steps and to the left. It's pretty challenging because these are not just gradual, and they're pretty steep in some sections. I do not have the proper shoes. Oh, this was amazing. I think we go all the way up there. I think that's the top right there. So we still got a ways. Up and up and up. Another view here. Feels good. Good weather.
He's like, that's my rock. Do you want to go up there and unpack?
It's all yours. Almost a mile. 537 feet of elevation gain so far. Looking like Sedona. 1 mile officially. Parker Way Trail.
The Parker Trail is another route that's a little longer that you could take up to the summit. This is the point where the two trails converge.
You been here before?
My first time.
Oh, first time. Okay, same here, same here.
Yeah, we're trying to do like
You trying to do
six.
the Cowles Mountain?
Yeah.
According
This
to
one needs to. This is like a back way or something.
according to my map, it's saying this way here. Yeah. So we go left here.
There, all right.
Yeah, that should take us to Cowles Mountain. Which way? I think this way. Appreciate it, thank you. Yeah. Trail's becoming more packed. And it's getting better as we get higher. a little cloudy and hazy now. .43 miles. I never get tired of the view. I think if I read it right, it's 3 miles out and back. So it's not that long. Another switchback. I feel like we're getting closer and closer. Is that the top? Oh, this is easy. Dude, this is easy.
Looking back, it is a good workout, and it's not as easy as I make it out to be, but definitely not too challenging where the average hiker couldn't do it. As long as you stay hydrated, rest when needed, and have good shoes, anyone can do this. Heck, I even saw kids on the way up to the summit. Anytime I make it to the peak, no matter the elevation, it's still a rewarding feeling. I'm glad I found time to hike this mountain. Now time to descend and call it a day.
Back down the mountain. 1.5 miles back down. Thought it was hard. It's gonna be hard for some reason. But don't get too overconfident and slip and fall on your way back down, so you just gotta be careful. What do I rate this? Out of 5, I rate this a 3.8 out of 5. It's too short. I needed something more, but it was challenging enough to get a high rating. Officially on my way back down. I didn't sweat too much either. Thankfully, the San Diego humidity or climate is very favorable to hikers. I had a great time though. Oh. Yeah, if you want just a nice, short, tough hike, this will be perfect for you. I think this trail gets more popular as the sun goes down. Oh, you know what? I guess the sunset probably. That would be a very nice sunset view. Since you have 360-degree view. Luckily my shoes did not fail me. I wonder what I want for dinner tonight. One last meal from San Diego. I have to do something interesting. I remember this section.
Hey, I mean, that's super cool.
Oh. It gets steep though, for sure. Oh. This in a way reminds me of Camelback Mountain in Phoenix, minus the humidity and heat. Camelback was just blazing hot. I feel like these shoes are gonna slip on me. .4 more miles, and then we'll be at the car. Still a great view. Hey, how's it going?
Doesn't that breeze feel great?
Oh, I'm from Texas, so this is
you're in
heaven.
heaven then.
Yes, in May we're
This is
sweltering
hot
hot.
for us.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh my God, what's the normal temperature then?
Well, like 75.
Oh,
I mean, it got a little warmer today.
Okay.
But, I mean, this is nice right now.
yeah, this is. Oh, I'm so amazed.
Enjoy your visit, friend.
Oh,
That's great.
thank you so much.
But you can keep that hot weather.
You take care.
What's the picture scan? The scans are old.
Whoa. Huh. Yeah. And there's the parking lot. We are almost there.
Hey, are you live? What are you doing there?
Oh no, just my YouTube channel, but not live, bro.
Hey, good luck.
Thank you, man. Ah, trailhead.
And that's a wrap from California. See you all at my next race or hike, wherever that takes me. Thanks for watching.